As you decide how you want to make money on Amazon, there's a range of e-commerce tactics you can use to grow. Here are some strategies to try as you explore different possible directions for your business, plus tips for going all in once you've found what works. Number 1. Source the right products. How will you get products to sell to customers? You have options. Resell products, whether you have a gift for zeroing in on great vintage finds at yard sales or a knack for scoring great deals when popular products go on sale. Amazon can be a great channel to resell for a profit. Just be sure to follow Amazon's selling policies and code of conduct for sellers. Source wholesale. If you're planning to move lots of inventory, work with a wholesaler or a manufacturer to set up a supply chain and get products into the hands of as many customers as possible. Dropship or print on demand. Don't want to invest in procuring and storing inventory until you're sure the product will sell. You can work with a dropshipper to send orders directly to customers after they place purchases. You might also use a print-on-demand solution such as Amazon Merch. You can start out with just one of these strategies or try a combination. Get inspired and learn more with this guide to inventory management. Number 2. Take advantage of fulfillment solutions. The processes that go into fulfillment, picking, packaging, shipping orders, and handling returns can consume valuable time and resources, especially as you scale. Luckily, you can fulfill orders on your own, outsource fulfillment, or do both. Fulfillment by Amazon might be the right choice for your business model if you'd like to send inventory to Amazon fulfillment centers. With this method, specialists can store, pack, and ship orders on your behalf. Through FBA, you can also incentivize customers with free 2-day shipping through Prime, free returns, customer support. Number 3. Set competitive prices. Do you have a pricing strategy? Do some research by scoping out the competition for products you'd like to sell. This is especially important when you first list products, but sales can benefit in the long run if you set up a system to conduct pricing research on a regular basis going forward. Dedicate some time to analyzing prices for similar products in Amazon Search or use our Automate pricing tool to automatically set prices across your portfolio based on current demand. Number 4. Optimize to connect with more shoppers. To connect your offerings with more potential customers, use SEO best practices to help product listings rank in search results for shoppers. Basic search engine optimization involves targeting specific keywords in product titles, bullet points, and other parts of the product description. Number 5. Advertise and offer special deals. Depending on the products you're selling and your ideal audience, sales tactics can be a great way to boost your bottom line. Here are a few ideas for driving sales on Amazon. Cross-sell or upsell. Cross-selling is where you help the customer find products related to the one they want to buy. For example, someone purchasing a phone might also want a phone case. Upselling is where you recommend a premium version of a product or an upgrade such as an add-on. Run product listing ads. PLAs are typically cost-per-click ads, meaning you only pay when shoppers click on them. In the Amazon store, you can run several types of PLAs, including sponsored products and sponsored brands. Offer deals and coupons. You can entice customers with digital coupons and promotions. 2 common types are lightning deals, random deals that appear throughout the day, and 7-day deals, short-term promotions that last a week. To land on the Amazon deals page, try promoting your offerings with seasonal sales or run deals for holidays and shopping events such as Prime Day. Learn more in this guide to e-commerce marketing. Number 6. Focus on audience engagement. Where does your audience hang out? What's the best way to reach them? E-commerce gives you several unique options as you answer these questions. For one, after someone interacts with your brand by purchasing a product, you can follow up with customers via email and invite them to leave product reviews. Amazon offers email templates to help you shape the customer journey to improve sales. Good reviews can be a powerful way to establish trust between your brand and shoppers. On Amazon, you have the chance to receive high-impact reviews through Amazon Vine. If your customers spend time on social media, it might be worth investing in social media marketing. You can hold contests, post trivia, and use other interactive ways to show people products and channel traffic to visit your online store. If you want to take it to the next level, social selling through a destination like Amazon Live is a way to do product reveals in real time, give customers tailored product suggestions, and more tools and programs to help you scale. Signing up for Amazon's professional selling plan comes with access to a host of programs and tools to benefit your business, whether you're already established in e-commerce, still in your first 90 days of selling online, or considering selling in the Amazon store for the first time. Perfect launch. Get off to a strong start with the Perfect Launch Playbook, a set of 5 programs shown to increase sales in Amazon stores. Sellers who adopt all 5 in the first 90 days of selling in the Amazon store are 5.2 times more likely to generate $100,000 in first-year revenue compared to Amazon sellers who don't complete Perfect Launch. Through Perfect Launch you can earn 5% back on the first $1 million in branded sales. Perfect Launch also unlocks over $50,000 in potential benefits and new seller incentives, which can include credits for cost-per-click advertising, discounts for storing and shipping inventory, and more. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.